Welcome to WhiteCane Academy, inclusive learning for a brighter tomorrow.
Hi guys, today I found one application which helps you to research on any topic. This app specially helps visually impaired students to find any topic. Whenever you search on any topic on Google, you will see a lot of information along with advertisement and other destructive things. But after watching this video, you can easily search on any topic. You just need to tell the topic to this application, and this application will give you an accessible interface to read this. The best part, it's completely free to use. My name is Ratul and warm welcome to WhiteCane Academy. WhiteCane Academy, inclusive learning for a brighter tomorrow. We provide personalized one-on-one coaching solutions to the visually impaired students. You can learn any topics at your time, at your convenience. If you are interested to learn more about our courses, don't forget to visit our official website from the About page of our channel. Some of our courses includes Advanced Excel, Computer Literacy Expert, where we provide MS Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Internet, Gmail, Web Development with WordPress, HTML, CSS, JavaScript, Reaper, Digital Audio Workstation, and much more. For further details, check our website. Without further delay, let's jump into the video. The application name is NetraGuide. I have already made 2 videos on this application, and believe me, I really like this application. After downloading this application, you have to open your own account using Google account or email password. This process is straightforward, so you can easily do it. We will provide the link in the video description below as well as on our official WhatsApp channel. The WhatsApp channel link is given in the video description below. Now let me show you how you can quickly search on any topic. To do this, open NetraGuide application and swipe from left to right.
NetraGuide.
And you will find this option, NetraGuide. So double tap here.
Gyana Netra.
Gyana
Language
Netra.
selected. English.
So here you will get the language selection option first.
Search language. Language selection controls.
Okay, just swipe.
Search language. Edit box.
Here you can search other languages. I keep it English by default.
Language selected. English. Search topic bar.
This is a
language selected.
search drop down. This is a drop down.
Drop down menu. Search topic bar.
Search topic.
Search topic. E.g. Einstein. Edit box.
So here you have to just write the topic.
Show
Now
English.
I
India,
simply
Kochi.
write the topic,
I L P Z. Use voice.
or I can just type
Use voice.
artificial intelligence.
Language selected. Search. Editing. Artificial intelligence. Submit search.
Just
Button.
click on submit search.
Voice input stop. Keyboard hidden. Netra Plus. Volume adjustment panel. Music volume set to
And now
93%.
you
Save
can
as
get this.
Artificial intelligence.
This topic is now in front of you, artificial intelligence.
Save as PDF. Button.
Now from here you
Volume
can save
controls
this
hidden.
topic as PDF.
BTN topic speaker. Button.
You can read this topic, I mean you can listen to the
Icon.
topic.
Read full. Button.
Read full.
Explain simply. Button.
Explain simply. These are the AI powered option.
History. Button.
History.
Examples. Button.
Examples.
Artificial intelligence (AI) is the capability of computational systems to perform tasks typically associated with human intelligence, such as learning, reasoning, problem solving, perception, and decision making. It is a field of research in computer science that develops and studies methods and software that enable machines to perceive their environment and use learning and intelligence to take actions that maximize their chances of achieving defined examples.
Now just click on
history. Explain simply.
Explain simply or just history. Let's click on history.
No specific. History. Information was clearly identified. Try clicking. Read full.
Okay.
Examples. History.
Let's click on explain simply.
Artificial intelligence (AI) is the capability of computational systems to perform. Examples: history. Explain. Read full.
If I click on read full, let's see.
Fill circle introduction. Examples: button. AI.
Okay, see now you can read this
for other users.
or you can
explain simply.
export this as a PDF. See.
Save as PDF. Button.
If you click here, you can save this topic as a PDF and which is easily shareable with others. This is how you can find any topic, anything on this Netra Plus NetraGuide feature. If you find this content useful, don't forget to press the like button and share this video with your friends. Do you have any questions? Comment down below. And if you are interested to join us on WhatsApp and Telegram, the links are given in the video description below. Thank you for watching this tutorial. See you soon. Till then, bye bye.